was the warmest temperature across the region, which got up into the lower 90s at 91 degrees. The rest of the region seeing temperatures in the lower to upper 80s. Here at Wallops, we were a seasonable 84 degrees. Overnight last night, a fairly comfortable night for the beginning of August. Newport News was the cool spot at 60 degrees. Here at Wallops, we got down to a low of 67 degrees. No precipitation across the region yesterday, and currently we have temperatures ranging from the mid 70s to the lower 80s here at Wallops, 79 degrees under sunny skies as of 9 a.m. Our upper air sounding from this morning showing a northwesterly wind at 13 knots at the 1,000-foot level, and then winds remaining rather benign as we go up through the atmosphere and shifting more to a northeasterly and back to a westerly direction as we go through the atmosphere. We do have our wind max out of the west, at the 25,000-foot level at 17 knots. Our freezing level this morning was at 14,800 feet. Current surface analysis showing high pressure centered over the western Pennsylvania and over West Virginia and continuing to ridge eastward into our area. And this high pressure system will be dominating our weather pattern here for the next several days and providing us with rather seasonable conditions before moving offshore by the end of this week, before a cold front moves through the area. It looks like during the day on Saturday, which looks to provide us with our next best chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms. So we zoom in over the area, and we do have quite a bit of an anomalous propagation across the area, but seeing sunny skies with no precipitation across the region. Temperatures again in the mid to upper 70s with a light west to northwesterly wind. Those winds are expected to shift more out of a southerly direction later this afternoon with a sea breeze boundary that will be moving through the area. And we should see a slight uptick on in our cloudiness as well, again with that sea breeze boundary moving through the area. But as we look at our Tuesday midday planner, again, the model chart showing rather clear skies across the area. Just some increase in the cloudiness in the northern portions of the region. Again, that'll be mainly associated with that sea breeze boundary that'll be moving through this afternoon. Then overnight tonight, we should see quite a bit of upper level cloudiness across the area, but again, it should average out partly cloudy with temperatures in the upper 60s. And then much the same tomorrow with a little bit more cloudiness across the area, mainly in the upper levels, as we're expecting, again, temperatures to be in the mid 80s, which is going to be rather seasonable for this time of year. And then on Thursday, again, much of the same with that high pressure system still over the area and dominating our weather pattern, but it will begin to shift offshore Thursday into Friday. We should see a return to more humid conditions as well as we head into the later portions of this week, and as well as a slight uptick in our temperatures as well. So as we look at the 24-hour risk chart, as you can see, the next 24 hours we're looking green across the board for all our hazards, and our high temperature today looking like it'll be around 86 degrees, which again is seasonable for August 1st. And then winds mainly being out of a northwesterly direction this morning into the early portion of this afternoon before shifting out of the south at 5 to 10 knots. Looks like it'll be mainly closer towards 2 to 3 o'clock this afternoon when that sea breeze boundary does move through the area, in which will cap our temperatures in the mid 80s. And then we could also see a slight uptick in our cloudiness, possibly seeing ceilings develop at the 5,000-foot level. Those clouds will dissipate as we head into the later portions of this evening and average out partly cloudy with just a little bit more upper level cloudiness streaming into the region. We'll get down to a low of around 69 degrees tonight with a light southwesterly wind. And again, as we look at the 24-hour terminal forecast for VFR conditions for the next 24 hours, again, with just a chance for some ceilings developing at the 5,000-foot level with that sea breeze boundary moving through the area. Looking at the short-term outlook for tomorrow, we're looking at partly cloudy and seasonable conditions with a high of 86 degrees. Wednesday night will be partly cloudy again with a low of 69 degrees. And then on Thursday, we'll have partly to mostly cloudy skies and slightly breezier with a high of 85 degrees. But again, as you look at the hazards, we're looking green across the board for the next several days. So as we go into our 7-day forecast, we'll have a cold front that will be approaching the region Friday into Saturday. Should see an increase in our cloudiness on Friday. We'll still have a high of 85 degrees, although it will feel a little bit more humid with a south to southwesterly wind over the region. That cold front There's some timing differences in the model, but it looks like it'll be moving through during the later portions of the morning on Saturday, providing us with our next best chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms. We'll have a high of 85 degrees, and then temperatures look to be fairly pleasant as we head into Sunday. You can see our high temperature only getting up to around 78 degrees under mostly sunny skies, so it looks like it should be a very pleasant ending to the weekend this upcoming weekend. And then a warm front looks to move through the area on Monday, providing us with another chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms as we begin the work week next week. Well, that'll conclude the 10 a.m. weather briefing for today. We'll be back again with you at 8:15 tomorrow morning for the Daily Ops weather briefing. Have a great day.